Coders! I am Tova, and I'm your host for Code Along with Black Girls Code. In today's episode, we're learning all about artificial intelligence. AI is everywhere these days, right? But what is AI? Well, in this episode, you'll learn more about AI, learn about prompt engineering, and even use ChatGPT to create your own script. Ready to dive into the amazing world of AI? Let's go! Before we get started, smash that like button and subscribe. AI stands for artificial intelligence. In general, AI uses algorithms and data to solve very specific problems. Some types of AI can learn, recognize objects, or identify patterns, and even understand language. Let's take a step back. First of all, what's an algorithm? An algorithm is a set of instructions used to solve a problem. You might have heard the term AI/ML. ML, or machine learning, allows researchers to take a lot of data and use it to create models that can make predictions. For example, machine learning can predict the weather by using historical data that includes information like location, wind speed, humidity, and temperature. One kind of machine learning algorithm is a neural network. A neural network is a type of computer algorithm. Did you know that researchers got the idea for neural networks by modeling the way human brains work? So cool! Just like the neurons in our brains send and receive information to help us think and act, a neural network is made up of nodes that work together to process and learn from data. These networks are powerful tools in artificial intelligence. They can help doctors detect cancer by analyzing medical images or guide self-driving cars by recognizing roads, hazards, and pedestrians. Neural networks power tools like ChatGPT, enabling them to summarize documents or articles, create study plans, or answer questions about classic books. Your questions, called prompts, guide the neural network to provide tailored answers. Prompt engineering is the skill of refining these questions to get the best results. Now that we know how neural networks and ChatGPT are connected, let's ask it to help us summarize an article. I really like psychology, and I want to learn more about the importance of friendship. I found an interesting article online, and I want to summarize it with ChatGPT. Let's copy the article's URL. Let's go over to ChatGPT and ask it to summarize the article in the URL. Paste the URL you copied. Just like we asked, ChatGPT gives us a basic summary. I don't know about you, but I think it could use a little razzle-dazzle. Let's try making our prompt better. To refine your prompt, ask yourself these questions. What do you want the output to look like? A paragraph, bullet points, action items, a script, or a training plan? What do you plan to do with this information? Study, share, present, or build something? Who is your audience? A teacher, a group of peers, or a general reader? Who are you? A student, a professional, or someone looking to learn? By tailoring your prompt with these details, you'll help ChatGPT create a response that's clearer, more engaging, and exactly what you need. So let's see. What do I want the output to look like? I want it to create a script for a YouTube short that's 1.5 minutes long. I want to educate my audience. My audience is other high schoolers who are from Long Beach, California. Now the last question. Who are you? Who am I? No, really. Who am I? Actually, this is getting a little too deep. I'm a creative and fun-loving person. Let's see what our prompt looks like. Okay, ChatGPT, that's what I'm talking about. Now, I'm gonna make sure the information in my ChatGPT script matches the information in the article about friendship. Sometimes ChatGPT makes mistakes, so we always need to double check our sources. I'm also going to make some edits to the script to sound more natural. Remember, even though ChatGPT is super advanced, it still needs help from humans like us. Prompt engineering is a skill, just like sports or hobbies. You get better at it with more practice. If you don't like your output, try something different. Why don't you ask ChatGPT to help you write a new song or poem? Or next time your homework has you stumped, See if ChatGPT can help.